We've got some breaking news. A Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has just denied Donald Trump and his administration's bid to lift his block on his executive order illegally revoking birthright citizenship in the United States. Why? Well, let's figure that out in today's video article by CNN. As I said, this article is by CNN. The article is titled, Appeals Court Leaves Block on Trump's Birthright Citizenship Order in Place, Setting Up Supreme Court Showdown, by Tyranny Sneed from CNN. And the article reads, an appeals court will not allow the Trump administration to end birthright citizenship for children born of immigrants in the United States, for certain children of immigrants born in the United States, in a ruling that could propel the issue to the United States Supreme Court. The Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals on Wednesday declined an emergency Justice Department request that it lift the hold a Seattle judge had placed blocking implementation of President Donald Trump's executive order after concluding, the order ran afoul of the Constitution. The Ninth Circuit panel, made up of a Trump appointee, a Jimmy Carter appointee, and a George W. Bush appointee, said that a closer review of the case will move forward in its court, with arguments slated for June. The case before the San Francisco-based appeals court is one of several of major legal challenges to the policy, and the first to give the weigh-in by an appellate court panel. In filings, the Justice Department said that the birthright citizenship executive order was, quote, an integral part of President Trump's broader effort to repeal the United States immigration system and to address the ongoing crisis, at the southern border, end quote. For decades, under the 1868 Constitutional Amendment and a statute that preceded it, citizenship has been extended to anyone born on U.S. soil, regardless of the immigration status of their parents. Trump is seeking to end birthright citizenship for children whose parents are either undocumented or are lawfully present in the United States on temporary visas. The Ninth Circuit case arose from a lawsuit filed by Democratic attorneys general of 4 states, led by Washington. Their filings pushed back on the DOJ's efforts to frame the dispute around a president's powers in the immigration sphere. Quote, "This is not a case about immigration," end quote. They wrote, quote, "It is about citizenship rights that the 14th Amendment and the federal statute intentionally and explicitly place beyond the president's authority to condition or deny," end quote. The majority of the Ninth Circuit panel indicated that the Trump administration had failed at this emergency pause because it had not shown that it was likely to succeed on the merits of the dispute. Judge Daniel Forrest, who is a Trump appointee, wrote a concurrence stating that she was not expressing any views on the underlying legal arguments, and that instead that she had voted against the Trump administration because it had not shown that there was an quote emergency quote requiring an immediate intervention of the court. Quote, "Deciding important substantive issues on 1 week's notice turns our usual decision-making process on its head," end quote, she wrote. Begin quote, we should not undertake this task unless the circumstances dictate that we must. They do not here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is gonna conclude it for today's legal breaking update. If you did enjoy this legal breaking update, please make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, and comment your support. Before we do close out today's video, ladies and gentlemen, please, if you have not already, please go follow me on my socials. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, and Threads. There you guys can be updated instantly when I post a brand new video of a legal breaking update onto the channel. And please help me reach the channel goal of 100 plus subscribers. The reason why I'm saying 100 plus subscribers is because after we reach the 100 subscriber goal, we have more subscribers to go after to reach after we reach the 100 subscriber goal for the channel. Thank you everybody for watching, and I do hope you guys stay safe, and I will talk to you guys in the next legal breaking update.